when you think about it, it's like... Yeah.
She just burped in that one.
Are you video recording this?
Message received.
Her head pops up every time.
What?
You should have got her hitting her head on the backboard.
Oh my gosh, I have a concussion. My head's like... I get hit that hard.
Your head like rebounded.
I was all like, I'm done.
I thought she was gonna do it again.
That wouldn't have been funny.
What the hell?
Yeah. Good night.
And there's Tabby's reaction.
Like, honestly.
Dude, I got that on camera.
Seriously? You can just delete this.
I'm putting it on Facebook.
You hit your head on the backboard again.
Dude, like the same spot. I'm pretty sure my head like has an indentation.
Is that 3 times?
That's 4.
I don't know. I fell head first, you know. I was like, ninja! No, she made me. And then I was like, I'm done. I just did it again.
You did it 2 times that last time.
I did that. Okay, I think we're done with this video.
Well, let's look at Tabby asleep, because it's pretty funny.
She's out.
Yeah. Me and Brittany are like wide awake at 2 o'clock in the morning. Jordan has her head covered. Oh no, she's awake. Jordan is awake. Monster.
Stop. This is stop. This is not. Dude, Jake starts on. I knocked through the... Knock, knock.
Hey, what's up?
Lance.
Hey, I'm not near my phone.
Lance.
I want to talk.
Message.
Well, leave your name and number. I'll text you or give me a call back. All right.
Lance, you better run. The boogeyman is coming for you.